Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying identity and connecting funds now. Do this first so trade's clear. Once done, set a clear risk limit, for example, 0, or 1%, 2% of your portfolio per trade, because that prevents emotional overtrading. Then choose an order type, market for speed, limit for better price control, and set slippage tolerance around 0. 5%, 1% so executions match expectations. Make sure two-step verification is active. It keeps your account secure while you start trading. You now focus on finding the trade. Start with a scan, filter by price range, volume above 100K, and indicators like EMA 50 and RSI to confirm momentum. Once a candidate appears, calculate position size. Use either fixed dollars per share or percent of account. Compute stop distance in dollars and percent so risk equals your preset limit. Then execute. Place your limit or market order, and immediately add stop loss and take profit orders. This locks in plan and removes. You finish by exiting cleanly. Choose to close manually, take a fixed profit, or switch to a trailing stop set to move in 0. 5%, 2% steps depending on volatility. Once the trade is done, review and log entry, exit, size, and what you learned within 24 hours to build better rules. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Check internet connectivity, confirm order status with the app, and clear app cache or restart before reattempting. This usually fixes stuck orders or display mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.